Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're here, you're probably dealing with the super annoying VAN9003 error in Valorant on Windows 11. In just 5 minutes, I will walk you through all the fixes step by step. Make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss anything. All right, let's jump right in. First things first, VAN9003 usually happens because your system doesn't meet Riot's security requirements. That means Secure Boot and TPM need to be enabled. Let's check that. Press Windows R, type msinfo32 and hit Enter. Now look for Secure Boot State, then go to System Drivers and find TPM. If Secure Boot is off or TPM isn't enabled, that's your problem. To fix this, you will need to restart your PC and enter the BIOS. That's usually by pressing F2, F10, or Delete when your PC starts. Inside the BIOS, find Secure Boot and turn it on. Also enable TPM. Save changes and restart. If Secure Boot and TPM are fine, let's make sure you're on the Riot version of Windows 11. Press Windows, I go to System and then About and check the Windows edition. If it says Windows 11 Pro, N, or Enterprise, that's a problem. Riot's Vanguard might block the game. You can upgrade to Windows 11 Home, Spro, or install the Media Feature Pack from Microsoft's website. Next, let's check if debugging mode is causing issues. Open the Start menu, type CMD, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. Now type BCDEDIT/setNX opt-in, then type BCDEDIT/set debug off. Finally, type BCDEDIT/delete value hypervisor launch type. After running those, restart your PC. Last step, some Windows versions block Vanguard. Press Windows R, type gpedit.msc and hit Enter. Go to Security Options. Look for user account control, run all administrators in admin approval mode, and make sure it's enabled, then restart and try launching Valorant. And that's it. You should be back in the game. If this helped, drop a like, comment which step worked, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.